Hello, and welcome to How to Master HQ. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our easy-to-follow Excel tutorials. Today, we're diving into the COUPNUM function in Excel. This function calculates the number of coupons, periods, between the settlement date and maturity date. It's a handy tool if you're dealing with bonds or similar financial instruments. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Excel spreadsheet. Step 2. Let's say we have a list of bonds with their respective settlement and maturity dates. The settlement dates are in column A from A2 to A21, and the maturity dates are in column B from B2 to B21. The frequency of coupons per year for each bond is in column C from C2 to C21. Step 3. Now, in cell D1, we want to calculate the number of coupon payments for the first bond. Here, we'll use the COUPNUM function. Step 4. Click on cell D1 and start your formula with an equals sign, equals, followed by COUPNUM. Step 5. After typing COUPNUM, open a parenthesis. The COUPNUM function needs 3 arguments: settlement, maturity, and frequency. Step 6. The first argument, settlement, is the date the buyer purchases the securities. In our case, it's the date in cell A2. Type a 2. Step 7. The second argument, maturity, is the security's expiry date. In our case, it's the date in cell B2. So type B2. Step 8. The third argument, frequency, is the number of coupon payments per year. In our case, it's the value in cell C2. So type C2. Step 9. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel will calculate the number of coupon payments for the bond using the COUPNUM function, and the result will appear in cell D1. That's all there is to it. You've successfully used the COUPNUM function in Excel. Remember, at How to Master HQ, we're here to make technology easy for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more Excel tutorials. Happy Excelling!